Welcome to Brain Reaction.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a fan of amazing animals and mind-blowing facts, you're in for a treat today. We have 10 questions and you will have 10 seconds to answer each one. I hope you have fun. Let's get started. Question number 1, let's go. And the answer is, option A, chameleon. Question number 2, are you ready? Cheetah is the right option. Ready for a new one? Question number 3. Right, option B. And now, question number 4. Option C, giraffe. Question number 5. And the answer is, opossum. Another one, number 6. Ready? The answer is, option B, bat. Here is the 7th question. Right, option C, octopus. And now, number 8. Yep, option B, kangaroo. Question number 9. The answer is dove. And the last one. Option A is the right one. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, leave a comment below.